Here is a quick question. Do you know that people are making money from YouTube every day without being a celebrity, without having millions of subscribers, and without having expensive camera? Yes, some of them are just people just like you, using just their smartphone and talking about what they love and getting paid. Now imagine this. What if YouTube could be your ATM? What if every video you uploaded could turn into a stream of income while you sleep, while you eat, or while you are chilling? Stay with me to the end of this video because I'm going to be sharing with you the step by step on how you can actually make money from YouTube. In the course of this video, I'm also going to share with you the step by step on how you can be able to grow your YouTube channel fast so that I can be able to meet up with this criteria for you to monetize your YouTube account. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel I teach you different methods that you can work from home and make passive income online. If that interests you, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. And if you got value from this video, do well to like this video and to drop a comment in the comment section. So let's dive into the video. For easy understanding, I'm going to be breaking this video down into two sessions. The first session is how you can make money from the YouTube partnership program. Then the second section is other ways that I can use to make money from YouTube. We are going to be starting with how you can make money from the YouTube partnership program. And before you can be able to make money from the YouTube partnership program, there are criteria that you need to meet before you can be accepted into the YouTube partnership program. And one of the criteria you need to meet is you must have 1,000 subscribers. And then number two, you must have 4,000 watch hours. Then you must follow YouTube community standard. These are the criteria that will qualify you for you to be accepted into the YouTube partnership program. After you have monetized your YouTube channel, there are 5 ways that you can make money from the YouTube partnership program. The first way you can make money from the partnership program from YouTube is called watch page ad. The watch page ad has to do with your long form videos. Long form videos are videos that are from 3 minutes and above. The second way you can make money from YouTube after you have monetized your channel is called short feed ad. And for the short feed ad, there are videos that are up to 90 minutes. The third way you can make money from YouTube after you have monetized your YouTube channel is membership. You can create a membership, different levels of membership, and people will subscribe to those membership, and you can give them exclusive content for those that subscribe to your membership. The fourth way you can make money from your YouTube channel after you have monetized your channel is called super. If I click on this super, there are different ways you can make money from your super. So we have the super chats, the super stickers, and the super thanks. Then the fifth way you can make money from your YouTube account after you have monetized your YouTube account is called shopping. For the shopping, you can connect, if you have an online store, you can connect it to your YouTube account. So these are the 5 ways you can make money after you have monetized your YouTube account. Now, how do you grow your YouTube channel fast and monetize your YouTube channel? Now, money follows attention, and if people are not watching your video, there is no way you can make money from YouTube, or there is no way you can monetize your YouTube channel. So there are different ways you can easily get people to watch your videos on YouTube. Now, one of the ways for you to make people to easily click and watch your videos on YouTube is your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is very important. That is the first thing that people will see for them to click your video and watch that particular video. So your thumbnail is very important. So you must make sure that you create a catchy thumbnail that will draw attention for people to come and watch your video on YouTube. Now, the second way you can make your video to go viral on YouTube is your title. Your title is also very important. It's the first bit of attraction that you use to attract people to come and watch your videos on YouTube. So you need to create a catchy thumbnail that will draw attention of people, that will make people very curious and want to know about what you are talking about. The third way you can easily go viral on YouTube is the first 3 seconds to 30 seconds is very important in your video. If you cannot retain people within the next 30 seconds in your video and they click away, YouTube will not recommend that particular video. So the first 30 seconds of your video is very important. It's the most important part of your video. So make sure that you hook people and keep attention for people to watch your video. This is one of the ways you can increase views on YouTube. Then another ways you can easily grow your YouTube channel is consistently. You must always upload videos on your channel consistently. If you just upload one videos and they disappear, maybe after 3 months you come back and you upload on that video, there is no way you can grow that your channel on YouTube. So you must make sure that you are consistent on YouTube. If you want to be uploading videos every week, make sure that you keep to that schedule. If you want to be uploading video every 2 weeks, make sure that you keep to that schedule. So this is very important on YouTube, and YouTube also rewards consistency in their platform. Then another ways you can easily grow your YouTube channel is through community posting and short videos are very important. They are videos that can easily go viral. These are some of the ways you can easily go viral on your YouTube channel and easily monetize your YouTube channel and start making money from your YouTube channel. In this section, I'm going to be sharing with you other ways that I can use to make money from YouTube apart from joining the YouTube partnership program. So if you just create a YouTube channel, if you just create a brand new channel and you're uploading your first video for the first time, or you don't have a lot of subscribers yet on your channel for you to monetize your channel, there are other different ways that you can use to make money from your YouTube apart from becoming a partnership or monetizing your YouTube account. So one of the ways you can make money from your YouTube if you're just creating a new YouTube account is through affiliate programs. So there are different affiliate programs that are available that you can easily join. Once you join those affiliate programs, you can promote those affiliate program or products on your YouTube account through your video that you post on your channel. From there you can make different sales promoting different affiliates. So this is a very great way that you can also use to make passive income from YouTube. Then another way that you can use to make money from YouTube is promoting your product or your services. So if you have any product or service that you render, you can also promote it through posting your videos on YouTube. Then another way that you can use to make money from YouTube is through partnership program. If you have grown your YouTube channel to an extent, you can be getting different people to promote their product. Then they will pay you for promoting their services or their program on your channel. So these are different ways that can use to make money from YouTube apart from joining the YouTube partnership program. So in conclusion, YouTube is not just a platform where you watch videos. It's a place where you can actually make money just by uploading videos on the platform. And you don't need to have an expensive camera or have a huge numbers of subscribers before you can start making money from YouTube. If you got value from this video, do well to like this video and so drop your comment in the comment section. And if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get the notification.